Alright, Brian from Garage Mahal. Ran into a problem with the 2003 Vet. Basically, we were changing the PCV valve, which was here. And as you can tell, it fell apart. And not only did it fall apart, but I mean, it was packed with grease and goo and everything else. And it actually had cracked. So the part was, I looked online, the part was about $180 to $200 for this piece right here. But came up with a pretty simple fix. I got this bypass cap, 3/4 inch bypass cap. Okay. Then I got 3/8 fuel line. And then basically what I did was I took the end piece that broke off, drilled a hole in the end of the 3/4 inch cap, because obviously there's no hole in that. And then what you do is you basically take your PCV valve and then you're going to be pushing it in to a 3/4 inch fitting. Kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'll put you down a quick second. Okay, so it pushes in. It's a nice, good, clean fit. And then you put this end on. Let's see if I can't do this one-handed for the video. Usually I have my GoPro, but it's at the other end of the house. Okay, so that squeezes on pretty good. Okay, and then what you do is you have the other piece of line in there, because this obviously, it broke on us. So I put another piece of fuel line here. So this little piece can go in there, and then you're basically attaching it onto a nipple and right here. And then make sure it's got a nice, good firm fit. Now that's the other piece of the garbage. But anyway, that's basically it. And let's go in and start it. So usually if that valve is clogged, the car will start, but it will sound terrible. So nice and smooth. And yeah, we got some other stuff going on here, but we'll be taking care of that soon. But okay. There you go. Quick fix and cheap. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Thanks for liking and subscribing.